Nadine Lustre. Nadine, anong message mo lang sa mga fans mo? Kahit wala si James.
Hi everyone! Sana po supportahan po ninyo ang Ulan. March 13 na po yan. This project is very special to me kasi ano po siya, close to my heart. And I know na si Direk, this is her passion project talaga. So sana po supportahan ninyo. I know that a lot of people are gonna be able to relate to this. And I know kahit wala si James, very confident naman ako kasi I super love the story talaga.
May tips ba si James sa'yo? Kasi first solo movie mo na wala siya.
Actually, wala naman. No, but I showed him, he's very supportive. He was one of the first people who watched the trailer actually and the teaser when it came out. And he's really excited for it. Yes.
And ano pa yung mga preparation mo dito?
You know what's funny? Kasi wala naman talagang like hardcore na preparation. Si Direk and I just kept talking and talking about the story. So, I think that's one of the things that I love. Kasi talagang everything talagang place na lang. Hindi kailangan ng effort.
So, thank you Nadine and good luck sa work.
Thank you.
Thank you.